But converting between US and metric, we're going to do them just like we've done the last 3 problems. We're just going to be throwing in metric units as well. Okay, so when we say metric, the bases of metric are grams for weight, meters for length, and liters for volume. And then there's more, but those are kind of the main 3. So at this point, you should on your formula sheet just be looking at the between US and metric, and we're kind of going to pick out different conversions. So let's say we want to do 30 centimeters is how many inches? Okay, so just like the first 2 we did, put 30 centimeters over 1. Okay, I want to cancel centimeters, and then I would look, do I know how many centimeters are in an inch? Okay, you should be seeing 1 inch equals 2.54 centimeters. Okay, another thing I haven't said yet, notice how I put my units in first. First put your units in, then fill in the numbers after you double check on your formula sheet. So my centimeters canceled, I'm left with inches. So this is showing me I need to divide. 30 divided by 2.54, since the 2.54 was on the bottom. Okay, so especially with metric, even if it's only one step, setting up the unity fractions helps you decide, should I be multiplying or dividing? Because a lot of times, especially if you're not used to the metric system, it's really hard to just look at it and know. Okay, so I'm getting 11.8 inches. Okay. Now these are pretty much always going to be rounded. They're not going to come out nice like a lot of times within the US system or within the metric system. So you're usually told how to round. If, I'll just give you a warning, if in the software you're getting questions wrong just because of rounding, if it's a post-test, maybe have your instructor take a look at it, and if it made you not get a star, I'm sure myself or whoever your instructor is will change it for you if it's just because of rounding. Because sometimes, it's technology, it can be a little touchy. Okay, how about 2.5 pounds is how many grams? So 2.5 pounds, and I need to get to grams. So I know I want to cancel out pounds. Now sometimes there's a couple ways we can go. I think what maybe you notice is the 1 ounce equals 28.35 grams. And I know I can get pounds into ounces. 1 pound is 16 ounces. And now I can go from ounces to grams. 1 ounce is 28.35 grams. So pounds cancels, ounces cancels, I'm left with grams. So it looks like all 1's on the bottom, so it's going to be multiplying on top, 2.5 times 16 times 28.35, and I'm getting about 1,134 grams.